Kubor nakaslem jong Nongsan Hima.
Ka Deputy Commissioner jangka West Karbi Anglong District ka Krishna Barwa kalaong makasnong Khanduli ka hap upo uput usam jangka West Karbi Anglong District katkum ki kot kisla bat ki map badan bat kesorkar Assam. Ya kani laya thu dak Barwa habaya kiram kilat pathai Kubor hadin balawai ka jingyelang ki kli Nongsan Shar ki R District ka West Jant Hills District bat West Karbi Anglong District ha DC Office Jowai hak singi balang. Kasnong Khanduli ka bahap ha namdong CNRD block bat sat sama outpost kalong ka wayna kijakaya ka Japut ha pedeng ka Meghalaya bat Assam. Menha ka singining kong katayaw kaladon ka jingya kan at ka bajur. Haba kinong song ka Khanduli kila penpray ka signboard balasi da ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council kom kadak ka jing persya ka bajur ka jingbu kherdop lum khajna Khanduli. Halor ka jingwan bu kherdop da ka KAAC ha Khanduli ka Deputy Commissioner jang ka West Karbi Anglong District kalaong baka KAAC katray kam ka balat luot kom ta kam jia thu eki habagi pentray kam ya kinu ki scheme hagi than khapot hanray menta ki pen sngaw ya ka KAAC baka deben pentep khanang balla man pentep pateng sheki bor panya district ka West Jant Hills panlat ni kinu ki jingja ya kan at.
Revenue point of view, the revenue documentation, whatever we had a discussion with the revenue officials. They stated as per their map, whatever the map we have, the Khanduli states it is within the jurisdiction of our district. As it is, as we have discussed already, the revenue matters here it is from joint tier councils, under the joint tier councils, and from us also it is for the Karbi Anglong autonomous councils. So any development activities, this is their autonomy is there. So whatever they do, they don't inform us. So later, because that's why maybe this is happening, so we will convey the message to them that whatever the construction work, the development work they will be doing, if they inform us, then I will be definitely informing the district administration. Whatever we feel, so that this kind of situations do not arise in future, and we can have a peaceful situation out there because people over there are very simple. Okay, they don't want any kind of disturbance. Whatever happens, say third party comes up, then they incite the people, then it happens. So basically, we will be having more coordination with the grassroots level, say all from the grassroots level, from the police administration, and from us. We already have a very close relation with everyone. But the main thing happens, say in the grassroots level, they may not be aware of what is happening. So these things should be shared very frequently with each other, and we want to resolve the issues as soon as possible, as because we have the resident committee from here also and from Assam also. They will meet soon, and with the highest authorities approval, it will be solved.